So today we will discuss about the linear magnification that is produced by a spherical mirror. The term magnification means it is a comparison between the image form to the object. That means how much the image form is enlarged or diminished. So magnification is denoted by M. And first we have to draw the ray diagram, and let this is a concave mirror which is a spherical mirror, and let this is the principal axis and this point is pole, and this is the focus, and this is the center of curvature, and let the object is situated here AB. So AB is the object, and one ray that is parallel to the principal axis meets the spherical mirror at point M, and then after reflection through the spherical mirror it will pass through the focus. That's why BM will be the incident ray and MF will be the reflected ray, and another ray which is incident at point pole, it will follow the law of reflection, and if this will be the incident ray, it will follow the law of reflection. That means the angle of incidence will be equals to the angle of reflection, and let this is the reflected ray, and the two reflected ray meet at this point, so the image will form here. So the image will be A dash B dash, and here you can see two triangles are there. One is A dash B dash P, another triangle is ABP, and if you compare these two triangles, this is the right angle, this is the right angle, this is the angle of incidence, this is the angle of reflection. So these two angles will be equal, and the remaining two angles, they will also be equal. That's why you can say the triangle A dash B dash P and ABP are similar. You can write triangle A dash B dash P is similar with triangle ABP. When the two triangles will be similar, then the ratio of the sides will be equal. That means A dash B dash divided by AB will be equals to A dash P divided by AP. That implies A dash B dash divided by AB, that will be equals to A dash P divided by AP, and here A dash B dash, the distance A dash B dash, that is the height of image, and here by using the Cartesian sign convention, the image that is situated below the principal axis, so this will be minus h, and the term AB, that will be the height of object, that will be, let height of image will be HI and height of object is HO. It will be positive, and A dash P, A dash to P, that will be the image distance, that will be minus V by using the sign convention, and AP will be the object distance, and again the object distance will be minus U by using the sign convention because it is situated left to the pole. So the magnification, that is the ratio between the height of image to the height of object, or the distance of image to the distance of object. So you can write the magnification M that will be equals to the height of image, that is minus HI divided by HO, and that will be equals to minus V divided by minus U. That implies M will be equals to HI divided by HO, that will be equals to minus V divided by U. That means you have to multiply a negative sign here. So this will be minus, minus plus, and this will be minus, minus plus, and again one minus, this will be minus V divided by U. So this is the formula of linear magnification, and there are 4 to 5 cases. Case 1, M is more than 1. The value of M will be more than 1. That means the ratio of height of image to the height of object is more than 1, means the value of HI will be more than HO. That means the image is enlarged. Second case, M is less than 1. That means the ratio HI to HO is less than 1, means HO will be more than HI. For that case, the image is diminished. Clear? Third case, M is positive. M is positive means HI divided by HO will be positive, means the image and the object both have to lie above the principal axis, and this is possible when the image form is erect and virtual. So here the image is erect and virtual. Fourth case, M is equals to negative. M is equals to negative means the image and the object, if one will lies above the principal axis, another will lie below the principal axis. For that case, the image form will be inverted and real. Image is inverted and real. This is the case. Here M will be negative. And fifth one, the value of M is positive. M is equals to positive, that is only in case of convex mirror, and M is both positive and negative, that is in case of concave mirror. Clear? So this is all about the magnification produced by a spherical mirror. The formula is height of image to the height of object, or negative of the image distance to the object distance. You have to remember this formula, and you have to use the sign convention to find out the value of magnification. Thank you.